All right, so here we are on the other pillar. Just want to show a little bit more clearly how to get these out of here. There's a whole bunch of tabs holding everything together. The only ones you need to get the tweeter actually out are these larger tabs right here. Kind of spring this a little bit if I can. See how that springs a little bit? There's 3 of those. There's one, and there's one right there. And you just kind of have to kind of pop one loose and kind of wiggle this thing around until you get them all out, and then it'll just pop straight out. Then the replacement, this is the power base component system. It just, you kind of figure out these 2 tabs here are going to go into this cavity down here, roughly speaking. And again, you just kind of wiggle it around in there until the tabs pop in and everything seems to seat properly. Not too big of a deal. One interesting thing about this in terms of electrical connections, in case you're wiring these things, there's not a lot. These old original tweeters are not marked positive and negative. I found that generally speaking, if you've got a capacitor or filter or something like that, that's going to be on your positive side. The tweeter that came with one also has one on the positive side. Power base at least uses the copper colored wire as their positive. So I was able to kind of piece all that together and determine that that's the side I should line up for positive when putting this clip on. And this clip, the cool thing is designed right for the Ford Mustang, and it will snap directly in to the wiring harness in that pillar right there. Snaps directly into that without any other wiring. So all you got to do is wiggle this one out, wiggle this one in, plug this in, and put the pillar back, and you're done.